To get the most out of your Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier, follow these helpful steps. To set up, remove the tank, lift off the upper enclosure, remove the filter, and run under cool water. This helps the humidifier work efficiently right away. Replace the wet filter and place the enclosure on the base. Fill the tank with cool water and replace the tank cap and twist until secure. Then place the enclosure and tank back on the base. Make sure the unit is turned off, then plug in. Make sure your humidifier is on a firm, level, water-resistant surface and at least 12 inches from the wall. Turn the knob to select your desired output setting, high, medium, or low. To be sure the filter ages evenly, turn it over every time you refill the water tank. You should change your filter every 30 to 60 days, depending on your water quality. Replace the filter when it becomes hard or encrusted, when it gives off an odor, or when moisture output is decreased. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit HoneywellPluggedIn.com.